believe me if I told you that I found a fire pit that could fit in your backpack? Better yet, it can fit in your pocket. I got this little fire pit from Temu a while back because I thought it was interesting. We recently stayed at a campground. They did not allow fire pits that would touch the ground. They did not want them on the grass, and they wanted to make sure that you didn't catch anything on fire. I got this on Temu a little while back for about $10. You can find them on the site anywhere from around $7 up to close to $20. I will provide a link for a discount to Temu in the directions below, but because their links often expire, I will not give a link for a specific one of these. This was very simple to put together. It only took me a couple of minutes to get everything together. There has this little mesh screen that attaches into these poles with pins. Once it's set up, you set it in place where you want it to go, and then you get ready to create your fire. They say this is great for all kinds of camping. I personally would not put it on a ground that didn't have any kind of protection, so in case it did set the ground on fire, but it was on a concrete slab here, so I gave it a shot. I used this fire starter, a little bit of kindling, and a piece of firewood we got from the campground to test it out to see how it worked. Overall, it lasted pretty well. It's not very big, but you can get a couple of logs on it. I believe it says it holds up to 7 pounds at a time. What do you think? Would you get one of these and add it to your camping gear?